What's up YouTube? Larry here. Welcome to the first vlog of the channel. So yesterday, I took a 2-hour drive up to my sister's place for my nephew Ian's 11th birthday party. Well folks, after 2 hours on the road, I'm finally here. So I'm hoping this is a good day. Again, I said it was my nephew Ian's birthday, and this is my sister's house. Now, a little bit about my nephew Ian. He's absolutely obsessed with Rubik's Cubes. He has I don't know how many of them. So when I got to the house yesterday, he was so excited to show me this new Rubik's Cube that he had. I guess it's really easy to turn and everything. I don't mess with them. I haven't messed with them since the 80s. And it just blows my mind that kids today are all of a sudden becoming fascinated with the things we played with as kids. Okay.
I'm Ian Clark, and I'm trying to beat my fastest time. I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube, and my fastest time is 1 minute 5 seconds. Okay. Oh, just turned off. Inspection. Okay.
After Ian showed me the Rubik's Cube, my sister proceeded to tell me a story about the cake that she had gotten Ian for his birthday. Now, she had taken a couple pictures that she had found on the internet and sent them to the lady that was making the cake. Just wait till you hear my sister's story.
I ordered a cake off of a woman, and I don't know how my phone to show you. I asked for a Rubik's Cube cake and showed her a square and showed the pieces she could make it so it was turned partially with the different colors on it, and she said great, she could do this cake. I ordered it about a month and a half ago, so I was all excited to pick up the cake because of Ian liking his Rubik's Cubes, and I picked up the cake and got in the car and cried when I got it because it does not look like a Rubik's Cube.
And this is it right here.
Normally she makes beautiful cakes.
Once the rest of Ian's friends showed up, we went inside and ate, and then it was time for the cake.
Oh!
Luckily it wasn't a busy street,
I just started.
cars
Oh,
were
geez.
coming.
Oh, that's dangerous. It's cool.
Just because it's cool, doesn't mean it's safe.
Oh, it's safe. What? I assure you it's safe. Let's wait for them to all start sparking.
Lights out!
4.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ian. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations on starting fire.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No,
after we were finished with the cake, it was time for presents. Now this is always the best part of the party because it's great to see what the kid got, and it's awesome to see the look on their face and the surprise when they open these presents. It's also fun to watch the other kids present because they seem to get just excited about the presents as the person that the party's for.
So far.
Yeah, and then open this one, Ian, please. Just
I
do
didn't.
it.
I'm not even looking at the front yet. Oh, this looks bigger than the one I originally had.
The garbage box right here.
Yes. I can get bullseye.
Garbage box.
Because one of the boy wants to go. You gotta
Okay,
stop.
so I got. Thank you.
I knew about it.
Sorry, a bucket knife.
He'd never
Nice, thank you. I needed a new one.
I have 3 knives.
Here, so
Here's nice.
where should I put this?
Oh wow.
Give it to Mom.
Yeah, I'll give that to her. Now what should I open?
This one,
Oh,
please.
wow.
This one,
I'll open
please.
the one from Seth.
Please. Yay.
I'm
and
opening the one from Seth.
just don't read the. Okay, just read the card out.
Read the card.
And then show everybody the card.
I have no idea what it is. It's inappropriate. I'm not
Read it and
gonna
show so she can cringe.
It feels like it makes a lot. I feel like it's a noise maker.
If you want,
I bet it's money.
if you want easy,
No, I'm betting it makes
it's a noise maker.
profile. Hey bro, for your birthday, I emptied my wallet and I got you some. No, I am not reading the last name. No,
She got him a stripper. We need to read it.
I'm opening it now. My second.
Open it.
Hey.
Hey, enough of that noise.
What is that?
Yes, a gear ball. Glass.
Actually, mine was the biggest, I think.
I'm gonna steal that. This is the pink one.
Oh, nice.
What?
This is a new Xbox headset.
Xbox headset. I want that now.
Look at it.
Quiet Xbox.
Yeah,
Roll man 40 inch.
So I'm
no
opening this one now.
Open it.
Rated 40 inch. No such thing.
Guys, I want
Quiet
those.
down.
Oh, the Xbox plays for zombie games. Nice.
I want that.
GW2 and GW1.
Oh, open it.
I don't even know what it is. It's a box and a box.
Before you open these,
Here. Oh my gosh, it's box section. You have to.
Section.
Box section. Give me this bubble
What's
wrap.
out?
Open it.
I did.
Quiet.
Yes, it's a drone. It's a drone.
Guys,
Move.
down.
Move, you guys, so I can move it. Turn around, Ian.
Well, Ian, I guess
nice.
you can go up to your neighbor's house and spy on them.
Wow.
Ian, I guess you can spy on your neighbors now.
Wow.
I have a big
Maybe look through the welcoming.
So after they finished opening presents, the party winded down and they went outside and had a pool party. So while they were in the pool not paying attention, I went out to the car and got my drone and surprised them by bringing the drone around the house. And it took them a while before they even noticed that there was a drone flying over top of them. So all in all, it was a really fun day. Ian had a great time, his friends had a great time, and it seems like he's got some really good friends. So that's the vlog. If you liked what you saw, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.